If you just fried something, like, I don't know, chicken, I just did deep fried ice cream. Here's some of the oil, leftover oil. Can't really see it now, but it's pretty dirty. All oil's dirty, so instead of throwing it away, you can reserve your oil. Watch. There's the oil. Pour it in. And you put a paper towel on your jar. And you can see it's filtering all that liquid gold. Look how clean it is. I mean, there's a little couple pieces, but... Mom, what kind of paper towels do we use? We use Bounty, right?
Yeah.
So these are Bounty paper towels. I don't know if that has to be a must or... But, as you can see, it still will have the taste, of course, as whatever you're frying in, but if you're gonna use it for frying again, who cares? I used it for deep fried ice cream. And got all the chunks out. And I've done this before with chicken, after I fried chicken, and all kinds of stuff. And that's a cheap way of filtering the oil. So there's the oil before filtering it, and there's after. So I'm gonna dump some of this into there and see if it still keeps it clear. Okay, I'm just gonna dump some of this into this little pouring cup. And as you can see, pretty dirty. Once we put in the little filter, zoop. Seems to be filtering pretty good. I have done this lots of times, and every time it works. Ooh, that was too much. Oh, yeah. Unless you just fried like fish or something, this would be a bad idea, but if you fried like chicken or something, oh yeah. There's unfiltered right there. See, still got chunks, stuff, pretty brown. And then filtered, no chunks, and a lot cleaner. A lot more golden. And that's my little trick.